Hello and welcome. My name is Kit and I am a vintage home decor reseller here in Portland, Oregon. I am a little bit behind in getting this video out, about a week, because I've been sick, so sorry about my voice. But I wanted to, get this out as soon as I could. And so this video is about a little road trip that my husband and I took down south to Cottage Grove. So we did some thrifting along the 5, so in Salem and Eugene, and then around Cottage Grove, and same on the way back. We went to a lot of thrift stores, many more than I am showing you in the video, and that's just a lot of the stores we walked out empty-handed, and so that's not uncommon, but I did get some great things, so I'm going to show you a couple of mini hauls, and then I'll do a pan of everything that we found at the end. I also added some shopping that I did here in Portland at the 6th Avenue Goodwill as well. And one last thing, I gave you a quick view of a driving tour of all of the covered bridges around Cottage Grove. They're really very cool, and I'm a sucker for historical things. So anyway, I hope you enjoy. Hello, today we are headed to Cottage Grove, but we are going to do a little stop about halfway in Salem at the Goodwill. So we will see what we find today. Okay, we are at the Goodwill on Lancaster in Salem. This looks to be mid-century, $3.99. This is St. Vinny's in Eugene on Chad Road. Hello, today it is a nice sunny day here in Portland, and I decided, because I have some other chores to do, that I would hit at my favorite Goodwill at 6th Avenue and Grand. And so we'll see what we can find. I have lots of inventory that I need to list, but I thought I would stop by since I'm out. So we'll see what I find. Here's a signed photo. $7, that's a bit much. It's kind of cool. Oh, owls are very popular. That's a cool painting. Signed. And just $3. Okay, definitely getting that. See what else we can find. Some cross stitch. Let's see what's down here. This is an original painting. It's big. Get it out. And this one. And with some cottagecore back there. But I don't think these are speaking to me. This mushroom painting is also $3. I think I'll take that. A real painting? Alright, so I just finished up. I think I was in there for a couple hours. It's a big store, and it was also really busy, so I got a little bit of filming in, but not a lot. But I got a few good things. So first I got this painting. It's signed on the bottom. Obviously it's not framed, but it was purple tag, so I got it for $4. So I thought it was pretty. And then I got this guy, also not framed. He was $3, and it is also a signed original painting. One more painting. I got this one, which I thought was cute, a little mushroom, also $3. There's no signature, but definitely cute. And I got this guy. So today is the day of owls, apparently. So this is a Tonala Mexico owl. He is so cute. He was $3.99. I just love him. And I've seen other YouTubers pick these up, and I've never seen one. So I was really excited to get him because he's just adorable. And then I got this. It's a little dish. It looks like it was hand painted, and on the back it has some writing. It looks like, I don't know, maybe German. And there was no price on it, so one of the guys that I always see there, he's full of personality, and he went back and priced it for me, and at 99 cents. So I'm gonna have to do some research to see what, who made it, and I'm guessing German, but I'm not sure. So anyway, it was successful. I gotta get back. I gotta still do my chores, and I need to get lots of things listed on my Etsy site. So I'm gonna go do that. So good rest of your day. Okay, so I did my chores, and I had just a little bit of time, so I'm gonna run into the Goodwill here in Happy Valley. I'm gonna make it quick because I have things to do. So I looked this up. It appears that it's some sort of Hanawa Japanese doll, but it looks like his head came off. So even though it's half off, I'm gonna pass on it. But he is cool. This cool. Wood candle. It's 99. Looks like it's got some age to it. I'm gonna pass. This candle holder is cool. I've never seen one like this before. It's $7.99. Definitely is older, I'd say. It says made in Taiwan. Well, I didn't have any luck there, so I'm going to go home.